Alright, I got the wire hooked up to the battery directly, and here you can see I have it all hooked up here to verify voltage. I'm going to touch my ground lead, and you can see I got 12 volts going right to the wire, right to the harness. Alright, now I'm going to tap on the unit. I'm tapping on it pretty good. See, nothing comes on. Start the vehicle. The unit fires up. Okay, turn the car off. Alright, and now we're going to tap on it again. Nothing. Okay. Alright, we're going to go through the menus here. Alright, there's your parking. Alright, I hit OK. I'll go and turn it off again. Alright, go into parking again. Have it set for G sensor. And that's it. Put it back on. There it is recording. Turn the unit off. Alright, the unit's off. Gonna tap on it. You can see nothing happens.